Hi folks, and welcome to our 5 amazing tips on facial massage that your partner will absolutely love. My name is Tim. I'm founder of the Online Physiotherapist and holder of a sports massage diploma. My job today is to make you the expert and ignite your relationship. Now, why should you watch this short tutorial? Well, face massages are wonderful. Firstly, they reduce stress and anxiety. Secondly, they increase the happiness of your relationships through just spending 10 minutes together. And thirdly, you become happier as individuals and happier as families. Now, I want to give you 5 practical tips to just make your experience even better. The first thing is comfort. Make sure that you're comfortable and your partner is comfortable, whether you're lying down, in a chair, or even on the floor. Secondly, think about candles and music. Also think about the lotion that you're using. Make sure that the lotion isn't too thick or too thin. And finally, cut those nails. So without further ado, let's make you a pro. Now, the first amazing tip we have is the sweep of joy. The sweep of joy starts just at the top of the forehead. And what we do is we come down inside each of the eyebrows, either side of that nose, and just applying just a bit of pressure through there. So we're just going to do this 3 times of each of these top tips. So it's just coming down, around, and then you're finishing off just there. The second amazing tip we have is the circular tyrant. So the circular tyrant comes and just starts just where your jaw is. So what we could ask our partner to do is just open that mouth just to check we're in the right place. Good, and back. And what we're doing here is we're just causing circular motion. So you should feel almost some kind of muscle just underneath there. So you don't want to be on the bone of the jaw. You want to just come back a little bit and be on that muscle. And it's a circular tyrant because it can kind of feel quite uncomfortable, but actually it just feels also amazing at the same time. So there is our second tip. The third amazing tip we have is the sweep back. So the sweep back starts from underneath the chin. So it doesn't want to be just here, it wants to just go a little bit more underneath. And what you're doing is you're just coming just underneath here and just up to the temples. So either kind of where the eyes come out to the side. So we're just going to do this 3 times. So coming right under here and coming up. And again, you can just talk to your partner just around where the best amount of pressure is. Now, our penultimate amazing tip is the temple release. So you come to the temples, which are just, imagine drawing an imaginary line from the eye just towards the top of the ear. And it's just a fleshy bit just in here. And what you want to do is you want to apply a pressure that's sustained into that point on either side. Now, the key here is not to press too hard. Your partner can guide you as to what pressure is most comfortable, most releasing for them. And you can hold this position from anywhere between 30 seconds right up to a couple of minutes. And it just really floods that head with real release. So that's our 4th tip. The 5th amazing tip we have is the peace bringer. Now, the peace bringer is on the forehead, and what you're going to use is just the bony part of your thumb just here, and you're going to make circular motions. And your partner will again guide you as to the pressure and in terms of the location of where is most relieving for them. So that is our 5th tip for you guys. Now, the bonus tip we've got here is what we call the sunglasses. Now the sunglasses is a combination of the sweep of joy combined with an over the eyebrow motion. So what you're going to do is you're going to start again like the sweep of joy. You're going to come down and you're going to apply a pressure. You're going to finish off just there. You're going to come to the middle and then you're going to apply just an arc just above the eyebrows. So again, so coming down, sweep of joy, round to there, coming to the middle of the eyebrow, and then finishing off just at the end of the eyebrow. So here is the finish up, folks, and this just creates a real special moment for your partner and just creates a real calm. So what you're going to do here is you're going to come at the top of the forehead, you're going to come on down either side, around the chin, and then coming up, and then bringing the thumbs and coming to finish here. So one more time, so starting position, it's just at the top, you're going to come on down, either side of that nose, you're going to come and do that chin sweep, you're going to finish at the temples with the fingers, bring the thumbs together, and almost like a window washing motion, you want to finish off just coming to the forehead, and that is bringing everything to a close. So there you go, guys. There is the 5 amazing tips on facial massage that your partner will absolutely love. So find 10 minutes, a cozy spot, some music, some candles, and just apply those 5 techniques at your leisure. Now, I want to give you 2 free gifts today. The first one being a free PDF download of those 5 techniques that you can just look at and make sure that you are becoming that expert in which you're meant to be. And secondly, the gift I want to give you is 50% off our upcoming online masterclass in massage for the whole body. So we want to give these 2 gifts to you today. Find it in the comments below and you can register your interest. So guys, we will see you in the online masterclass. Take care.